Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new jump starter and air compressor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you, so let's go and actually check it out. It's the LOKITHOR JP400. Comes with the user manual right there. Alright, here's the actual jump starter itself. Comes with the flashlight. It's also a power bank, which we'll show you here in a second. You get this nice carrying bag for it, so you can just put underneath the car seat, the trunk, anything like that. The actual jump starter cables for it. This is for the air compressor. Different uses for it. And then a Type-C cable to actually use it. So, all right, and then lastly, I'll just go ahead and show you how to actually just connect this piece to it for the air compressor. Super simple. So all you want to do is just tighten it right here. All right, just make sure it's nice and tight on there, just like that. We'll go ahead and fire this back on. And I just wanted to show you some of the options on here for the pump. So you just hold it there, but as you can see, you could set the PSI. And as you can see right here, it's got a bike. It's got this like a little scooter, a ball, custom. And then, like I said, the first one's the car right here. So super easy to use. Just hook this up to your tire, whatever it is. Hit the pump. And it is good to go. And then the other part that I did say is it also does have a power bank right here. So we'll go ahead and hook up something quickly to that USB just so you can see it. So we'll go ahead and plug in our USB to it right here. Go ahead and charge my watch that I almost dropped. Turn this bad boy on. There we go. As you can see, keep your electronics charged, your phone, in case of an emergency. This can also help be your power bank as well. So let's go and actually test it out. Unfortunately and luckily, I do have a dead battery, so we'll actually be able to test it out. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up to the car and see how it does. All right, so like I said, I got a dead battery. We're gonna go ahead and use our jump starter to go ahead and fire it up. Go ahead and power it on. See, good to go. Got some good info here. Let's go ahead and hook it up. Just plug this right in here. Just like so. Cool. And we are good to go. So now let's hook it up to our dead battery. Okay, I'll leave that right there. As you can see, it is connected. It's ready to go. It's all green. There it is. Let's see if I can unlock it. All right, cool. So now I should be able to fire it up. So I didn't want the alarm to go off. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Boom, just like that. It is ready to go. Dang, just like that. That's all you need. Super cool. And the other things that I wanted to point out about it while I got it here is the flashlight. Check it out. SOS. Oh. So super handy, especially if you're trying to see something here at night or anywhere really, but can definitely come in handy right there. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new jump starter with the air compressor, with the power bank flashlight, definitely look into this one by LOKITHOR. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you get yours. Highly recommend.